Hi, I hope you had a great time doing my last video. Today, in this video, we will be talking about the Python list. A Python list is a collection of ordered data. We will be starting our first list by assigning variable list underscore one. A list is always represented in rectangular brackets. We will be testing whether all the data type can be adjusted in this list or no. For that, we will be putting all the four types of data that is available in the Python programming. We will be putting a string, we will be putting an integer, we will be putting a float, and we will be putting at last the boolean value. We will be using the print function in order to check whether this appears in the Python framework or not. We see clearly that it appears as it is in the Python framework. Here current is the string, 1 is the integer, 2.4 is the float, and false is the boolean value. Whenever we put some elements in the list, this is the element number 0. If we start from left to right, this is our element number 1, this is our element number 2, this is our element number 3. And when we move from backward to front or from right to left, we observe that this is our element number 1 and not 0. This is our element number minus 2, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now, we can always start with a variety of ways to create a list. We can start with an empty list if we are not certain what elements will go inside the list. We can use the various functions such as the append function to add elements to the given list. The append function adds the elements to the list from the end. Elements from the end of the list. So if in this case, if I write list underscore 2 dot append 1, list underscore 2 dot append print list underscore 2, we observe that in our list, number 1 is the first element that has been added to the empty list, and false if string f is the another string that has been added to the list. Similar to that, we can also create numerical list. In the Python programming, a numerical list will only have numericals inside it. We will be using certain functions in order to test what operations can be performed on the list. So for that, we will be using the append function, we will be using the insert function, we will be using the sum, length, minimum, and maximum. Along with that, we'll be using the sort as well as the pop function. For this, we will be creating our list underscore 3 as a numerical list, and we will be adding all the elements inside the list. Now, one by one, we will be performing the functions. We will be writing directly with the print command in order to see the output on the Python interface. List underscore 3 dot append element number 111, print list underscore 3 dot sort reverse is equal to true. This will rearrange the entire list in descending order. Print list underscore 3 dot insert. This function is better than the append function which adds from the end, as here we can choose the position and then the value that needs to be fit in that position. So we will be writing print list underscore 3 dot insert, position will be 1. So here in this place we will be inserting a certain value, that is 22. Then finally we will be using the sum function, print sum of list underscore 3. We will be printing the length of list underscore 3. We will be printing the minimum of the list underscore 3. We will be printing the maximum of list underscore 3. We at the same time can use the facility of counting an element that is in the list. We can use the print function. Then we can write the name of the list underscore 3 dot count. We will be writing the element name in this and getting the final answer. We can also use the hop function. We will be writing the position value in order to remove that particular element from the list. Zero. Now when we run the code, we observe the values that is observed, the output that is observed on the Python framework. Now when we print our list underscore 3, we observe the certain variables that are present in the list. The notes to this video is available on my GitHub page. Thank you for watching the video and please subscribe the channel.